Good morning, ninth class. Today we will start chapter 3, coordinate geometry. First of all, coordinate geometry. A system of geometry in which the position of point on the plane is described using an ordered pair of number. That means if we describe the position of an object with respect to another object, we use coordinate geometry. Okay, so in coordinate geometry, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. They both are perpendicular to each other, and intersection point of these lines is called origin. Okay, so this is point, it is called origin, and coordinate of origin is always 0 0. Remember always. Okay, so this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is x dash, and this is y dash. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, and similarly 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Okay, now this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, both signs are positive. In second quadrant, x negative and y positive. In third quadrant, both are negative, and in fourth quadrant, first positive, second negative. Okay, so it means x, y both are positive. Minus x, y, and in this minus x minus y, and in this plus x minus y. Okay, now this is a point P. Okay, so what is the coordinate of point P? First of all, draw perpendicular to x-axis, on x-axis and perpendicular to y-axis. Okay, when we perpendicular to x-axis, we get 3. It means x is equal to 3. Coordinate of x is equal to 3, and similarly coordinate of y is equal to 4. So coordinate of P is equal to 3 4. Now Cartesian coordinate axis. The coordinate axes are two mutually perpendicular reference lines from which the position of a point in a plane is determined. It means this is a x-axis, this is y-axis, and both are perpendicular to each other, and this is the origin when intersection x-axis and y-axis, and coordinate of origin is always 0 0. Okay, the horizontal line is x-axis, the vertical line is y-axis, the horizontal line is x-axis, and vertical line is y-axis, and the point O is called origin, and the point of O is called origin and intersection point of these two axes. Okay, now abscissa. Abscissa, that means coordinate of x-axis, and ordinate, that means coordinate of y-axis. It means in this question, abscissa is 3 and ordinate is 4. So now definition: the x coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from y-axis. The x coordinate of a point is known as abscissa. It means coordinate of x-axis is called abscissa. Now ordinate: the y coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from x-axis. The y coordinate of a point is known as ordinate. Okay, in which quadrant do the following point lie? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. In this both are positive, in this minus plus, in this minus minus, and in this plus minus. Okay, first is x minus y plus. X minus y plus, it means this lie in second quadrant. Okay, second question, 2 minus 9, it means plus minus, that is fourth quadrant. 3 4 both are positive in first quadrant and both are negative in third quadrant. So solve these type of questions. Now plotting the point on graph. Okay, first of all draw perpendicular line, that is x-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash. Okay, so point A is equal to 2 2 3 2 3 2. Okay, it means this is 3 x-axis and this is 2, this is 2. Okay, 2 and 3. This is x-axis 2 and this is y-axis 2. And point B, this perpendicular line 4 and this perpendicular line 5. It means 4x 5y. C, this perpendicular line -2 and this is 1. Okay, -2 1. And D, -6 3. Okay, E, -5 -2. And H, -7 -4. F, 3 and -2. And G, -6 +6 and -3. Okay, these are the plotting of point on graph. Okay, now next question. If the given that plotting of point on graph and find the coordinate of points. So first of all I want to tell you one thing. On x-axis coordinate of y is always 0, coordinate of y always 0. On y-axis coordinate of x always 0. Okay, it means on x-axis y coordinate 0, on y-axis x coordinate is 0. Okay, first of all point D, this is 6 and this is 1. So coordinate of point D is equal to 6 1. Okay, point of C, 5 -5, 5 -5. Z, 2 -4, 2 -4. E, -3 -5. H, -5 -3. Okay, and B, 1 -5. And L is equal to 0 5. Now coordinate of B, this is -5 and 1. Okay, coordinate of B, -5 1. Coordinate of C, 5 -5. The point identify the coordinate -3 -5. -3 -5, no point is there. -3 -5, that is E. This is E point. And 2 -4, 2 -4, that is G. Okay, abscissa of D, abscissa 6. And ordinate of H ordinate is -3. And the coordinate of the point LMN, M is this. Okay, so 3 0, this is M. So L is equal to 0 5 and M is equal to 3 0. So now mirror image is, these are points on in x-axis, in y-axis and about origin. AB, in x-axis sign of y change, in y-axis sign of x change, and origin both sign are changed. A and B both are positive, that means in x-axis y sign change. Okay, in y-axis a sign, x sign change, and origin both sign are changed. -a b, y के sign change. Okay, -a -b. Similarly a, this is -a convert into +a, and origin minus plus में and plus minus में. Minus minus both are negative, so sign of B change positive. Now sign of A change, this is positive and both are positive. Okay, similarly A minus B, AB, minus A minus B, minus A B. So this is mirror image. Thank you, students.